Magic Kingdom Day, and I am just sitting out here enjoying our lovely balcony. The last time we stayed at the Grand Floridian, we were on the ground floor, so it was nice, but this view is really nice. Like, I really like sitting out here. It feels cool this morning. I got my Mickey t-shirt on. We're ready to go. Are you excited for Peter Pan? Yeah? What else do you want to do today? You don't know? You hadn't decided? Say eat Sleepy Hollow? Okay, we'll do.
There's popcorn.
Popcorn.
We're also doing Hello Presents.
Yep, absolutely.
Right now. Yeah.
And instead you're in Disney World. You poor thing.
Whenever I get back to the resort, you bet your butt I'm getting on my monster.
Are you?
First,
It's a very demanding way to put it to your mother.
I'm sorry.
Thank you.
It's just because there's this daily login reward.
Yeah.
And if you don't get the daily login reward for one split day, then you don't have it.
Oh.
And at the end of 10 days, you get it 25 times. Help me, brother.
Aw, thank you for my hug. They went to the back of that long line over there. And we are headed up to Peter Pan.
Doesn't even have a wait.
Where'd he go? Hi! Got two guys for you guys! Thank you!
That's it.
It scared me a little bit.
What's Neverland?
It's where Peter Pan and Captain Hook live. You got this, Captain Hook. We believe in you. Oh, that's so pretty. So we love Peter Pan.
Yeah.
It's classic.
Yeah.
And now we're getting a little hungry.
Yeah.
Yep. So we've already pre-ordered our breakfast at Sleepy Hollow
Yeah.
for some delicious waffles.
Yeah.
Yeah. But first pit stop,
Yeah.
bathroom. Yeah. Right, so in the time that we rode Peter Pan, y'all rode what?
We rode Barnstormer, Dumbo, and Ariel.
And tell me what happened on Ariel?
Like, on one of them, like, her mouth and eyes weren't moving, and it was scary. I have a video of it.
Bless. I'm so proud of you for getting on Ariel.
Hey, Ariel. Hate that ride.
Are you hungry? Because I'm hungry. Are you not hungry?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. I thought you said no, and I was like, what?
I'm always hungry.
You sell a waffle? Yeah.
Is Melanie able to ride alone?
Yeah.
Oh, probably. Zachary, how's your waffle?
Good.
Good. Your waffle good, Dad?
Hmm?
Except for I forgot to put powdered sugar on it. Happens.
Yeah.
I'm right.
So that's a good list, right? How was breakfast?
Good.
Good.
You do realize you weren't recording for the whole list.
I know. Do you want to tell everybody the whole list of your plan for the day?
How about no?
How about no? Thanks, son. All right. So Dumbo?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Dumbo. I have no idea where Dumbo is.
Fantasyland? Yeah.
Is this Fantasyland?
Yeah, we're in Fantasyland now.
Emma Denny.
What?
Go up. I say go
Oh,
up.
there we go.
good.
Did you get wet?
Yeah.
Yeah, I see it on your shorts.
A little bit.
A little bit. You did good, kid.
Do you want me to run to it again?
If you would like to. So we just had fun at Dumbo.
And I got massively wet.
So wet because we ran through the KC train area, right?
Yeah.
Very wet. And he said, let's see how fast I can run without getting wet. And then what did you do? Stood directly in the water.
That was just on purpose.
Yeah, I know. I know.
Wait, do you think we can find that hidden Mickey?
You want to find the little tiny hidden Mickey? Then we went to go sit in some shade while we wait on Daddy and Melanie to get off the Pirates. And Zachary sat directly in water that we didn't realize was there. So,
Yep.
very wet. All right, so you want to find the hidden Mickey?
Yeah.
Okay. No, that's not it. It's the one that looks like a necklace. Oh, I think they found it. See, Zachary?
And there's a necklace right next to it.
Yeah, that's where my Disney memory came in, I guess. Well, we can't. We're going to Jungle Cruise next because that's our next
Small Speedway.
lightning lane. So it would make sense to go all the way over there when Daddy and Melanie are going to get off Pirates. So we can either do Magic Carpets of Aladdin or we can just sit and rest for a little while. Sit and rest. I had a feeling that's what you would pick. What's your favorite Jungle Cruise joke?
I don't know.
You don't know? I thought you had a favorite.
I can't remember.
The O2H?
What?
Where they say you're on the backside of water and start chanting O2H instead of H2O? No? Or yes?
Yes.
Yes? Okay. You're so enthusiastic.
When we get some of this fog as a souvenir, you know how parents are. Oh, missed! That's okay, I'll get them next time. If you are apes, oh, look what they did to my car! They left the lights on. Those are the stripy horses. Those are the hairy horses. Those are the spiky horses. Oh, look, these lions are watching over that stripy horse as it sleeps. How precious. Yeah, nature's really beautiful. I love you! I want a commitment!
What does that mean?
Do you want to meet my parents?
Wait, what is
Just
that?
like my last relationship. Scared the boy? The amazing, the colossal, the insert positive adjective here, the eighth wonder of the world, the backside of Bobby! And the front side of rock.
What?
That was way less Moscow. I don't know why. Front side of rock, I promise you are just as pretty as the backside of water, okay? Sorry, that's a really bad memory. Where was I going with the elephant thing? Oh yeah, do you want to hear a fun fact about elephants? Did you know they can grow up to 4 feet? Humans can only grow 2. Now guys, I need you to have a memory like an elephant. It's really good if you didn't know. And remember to remain seated with your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the boat. Parents, please supervise your children. Do not applaud Daryl. He does not do his dishes. He's my roommate. Daryl, do your dishes. Thank you. Now guys, we have spent so much time together. I feel like we're like a family. So I'm going to tell you the same thing that my family told me on my 18th birthday. Yes, Samantha, we love you. Happy birthday. Your free ride is over, so gather yourself and get out.
All right, Zachary, did you know that elephants have the best memory in the entire animal species?
We learned that.
We learned that about 800 times on our Jungle Cruise, didn't we?
No, it was like 5.
It was like 5. But Skipper Savannah was amazing, and we gave her a cast compliment, didn't we? Yeah.
Also, did you know that elephants have the best memory?
I wish I had a memory like that. You're taking a video of me all day.
Wait, yeah, I have.
When?
After like Ariel.
Oh, all right. Good point. You win. So we were getting Haunted Mansion, but the line, even with Lightning Lane, was way too long.
Not
So,
worth it.
so we're
My spotlight.
right. So we're at People Mover instead. Hi, Booger.
Clear of oncoming vehicles. Thank you.
Walt Disney's Carousel of Progress. As usual, we'll keep moving ahead. 109. Take the time to see this show.
Yeah, I don't think you're 5'4" yet. But you're gonna try to drive for the first time today? Yeah. You're doing so good, little one. You're getting past. Are you doing awesome? Yeah. Oh, here comes the turn. Here comes the You got this, kid.
I'm acting like I know how large I am.
Everybody, we are in Tomorrowland. Chris and I are here for our Tron preview, and we want to take you guys along. I love the music. It does feel very Avengers-like.
Tron. For your safety in this world, all users should be in good health. You should be free from high blood pressure, heart, back, or neck problems. You should be free from motion
is so cool.
experience. Expectant users should not ride. To the world of Tron.
Team Blue, welcome to the grid. Proceed to gate.
I don't know. We'll find out.
So that was something that girl was talking about.
Yeah, I think so. I don't know why my magic band just went off.
Kneel, lean, and pull the handlebars towards you. Tron Light Cycle Run is a thrilling, high-speed roller coaster type ride. Initiate in 3, 2, 1. First energy gate captured. Second energy gate. 3. 4. 5 captured. Congratulations, Caesars. A championship performance and victory for Team Blue.
Does that mean we passed?
Well, that'd be cool right now.
Right?
Yes, we saw all that background.
Yeah.
That's the line now.
Wow. So we might get one more chance. Initial thoughts are that is amazing. It was so fun, so fast, but also really, really quick. So like other people have said that it's really short. It is really short, but like still so much fun. But yeah, that was a lot of fun.